Here I have installed the Custom Dynamics CD500 VTX turn signal conversion kit on my '06 Honda Shadow Sabre. I did purchase the diode kit for feedback through the single turn signal indicator, but what I have done is I've wired it in so that it doesn't flash. So it's just a straight ground to the running lights and brake and turn signal. So here it is in running lights and with turn signal. As you can see, the light is bright enough that it blocks out most of the LEDs and still provides the needed side signal for inspection. And here we have brake. All in all, I'm very happy with this conversion kit. A bit more work than I thought it was going to be to get the wires run through and wired up, but I think it's a very good kit, and it gives me a little bit more light in the black.